So we're going to have to take our 1x4 and we're going to cut a 36-degree angle off on the end. So I've set my miter saw up to 36 degrees. Now we're going to set our next angle up. 54. All right, 54 degrees. I've set a stop up here. We want this 8 inches. So I've already put a little stop here and measured it for 8 inches. Okay, so we're going to need 5 of these. So this is our 8-inch piece, and we will make sure our angles are going in the same direction. This is going to be our 36 degree, and this will be our 54. So now we've moved our stop, and we're going to cut 5 more pieces with the same angles on them, but they're going to be 10 inches long. So we're going to cut our 36 degree angle here. And then we'll do it again, 54. Got our stop. And there are angles. Now that we have all our pieces cut, we're going to start putting it together. So we're going to take an 8-inch piece and our 10-inch piece, and we're going to join them together at the 36 degree angle. We'll just butt it together like this. I'm going to glue it, and then we'll attach it with the brad nailer. And now we've attached our short and long board together at the 36 degree angle. Now we're going to attach the short and long at the 54 degree angle. And when we put it together, we're going to attach to the bottom side. We're going to take the short one and attach it to the bottom side of the long one. See, it's going to fit like that. So we'll just put our brad nailer to work here. It's going to fit like so. Get as flush as we can. So now you see how it's going to go together. We have our short and our long attached at the 36 degree, and then we have our long and short attached at the 54 degree. And we put the short up underneath the long. So you got your 10-inch and your 8-inch, and it's going to fit underneath the 8-inch. Now we've got our 36 connected here. Our 54 go together like this, and it's going to go underneath the long board. And here we have our completed star, and now all we have to do is stain it. And here is our finished product. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.
And then you do this. And then it makes it. Ta-da! Say hey, Papa.